To change wallpaper on a lock screen on the Poco C85, start by opening the settings. Now you have to go into the personalization and here click on the lock style. And first of all, you can change the wallpaper by using those different themes and the wallpapers. Let's click on the customize. As you can see now, we can click on the wallpaper if you want to change it still. And as you can see over here, we can find the default wallpapers, but also we can find the local photos. So basically every photo that we take with this smartphone, we can set as default. So you can also do this. But you are also able to go into your file manager or Google Files, depend of the application that you are using for manage your files. Now you can pick any photo or any picture that you have on your phone, click on the more, and you can select to set as a wallpaper, and you can basically select to apply in the right upper corner and select if you want to get this on the lock screen or the home screen. So in this video we want a lock screen, so we have to click on the first option.